Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm excited to introduce you to Legacy Acres, a new community of ranch-style homes with a 5-year tax abatement in Berlin, New Jersey. Each new home features one-level living with an open concept and just the space you need. There's plenty of room to gather with your friends and family. Even when you're prepping in your gourmet kitchen at this beautiful island, you won't miss a moment of the action in the family room. Each new home features a first-floor owner's suite with a large walk-in closet and attached bath. Everything you need is all in one floor, including the laundry room. You can own up to 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with a 2-car garage and optional basement. Imagine walking through the door every day into a brand new home that you've selected from the home site to the finishing touches. At Legacy Acres, every home is built to be energy efficient with an approach proven to lower energy costs while keeping you comfortable year-round. Best of all, energy-efficient stainless steel kitchen appliances are included with your new home. With lawn care and snow removal included, you'll have more time to spend with the grandkids. This new community is conveniently located in Winslow Township along Route 73, and it boasts a desirable Berlin mailing address. Everyday conveniences like ShopRite and Home Depot are just 4 miles from home. Target and the Promenade are less than 10 miles away too. Looking for a bite to eat? Try one of the many locally owned restaurants just around the corner. Join the VIP list today for access to exclusive incentives and pricing before we open to the public. We can't wait to meet you.